Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tinkercad not loading. If Tinkercad gets stuck on the loading screen, shows a blank page, or refuses to open your projects, don't worry. In most cases, the problem can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since Tinkercad is a web-based application, a slow or unstable connection can prevent the website from loading properly. Try refreshing the page or opening another website to confirm that your internet is working. Next, use a supported web browser, such as the latest version of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. If you're using an outdated browser, update it to the newest version and then try opening Tinkercad again. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with websites. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into your Tinkercad account. You should also disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions. Some extensions may prevent parts of Tinkercad from loading correctly. Open Tinkercad in a private or incognito window to check if an extension is causing the issue. Another helpful step is to restart your computer and then try again. If you're on a school or office network, firewall or network restrictions may block certain Tinkercad features. Switching to a different network or using a personal hotspot can help identify whether the network is the problem. If a specific project won't load, try opening another design. If other projects open normally, the issue may be limited to that particular design. You can also check whether Tinkercad is experiencing a temporary service issue by waiting a while and trying again later. And that's how to fix Tinkercad not loading. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. See you in the next video.